you're somebody who doesn't have a network, a professional network that helps you in your career growth, a system of allies, sponsors, and mentors who pull you and your career forward. If not, my friend, this video is for you, and I will help you build your network step by step, even if you are an introvert and you don't like small talk. Who am I? I'm Meera Ramani. I'm a leadership coach with a couple of decades of experience in the leadership space in companies such as Procter & Gamble and Amazon. And as a leadership coach, I now help leaders up their leadership game, go up in their career ladder into CXO and senior manager positions with ease and peace of mind. Follow my channel here for more content, weekly content on how you can skyrocket your career success as well. Now, let's come to the topic for today, which is how to build your network intentionally. Now, if you look at the plethora of people in your company, it could be also outside your company, your ex-colleagues, alumni from your business, engineering, or whatever schools you went to, your current colleagues, bosses, bosses of bosses, people outside in the industry who know you or you know them. Write down those names exhaustively. Now, in the figure, in the image that I show in the 2x2 matrix, you can see that there is x-axis which shows the influence of the person and the y-axis which shows the interest of the person. The influence of the person is the influence that person holds in terms of how your career trajectory develops, or even within the company. Who are those people who will influence your promotion or salary raise or you getting the plump opportunities? So that is the x-axis, the influence. The y-axis is the interest. I would also call it the warmth of the relationship that you have with them. Do they know you? Do they know the value you bring to the organization and to the industry? So those are the X and Y axis. Now what I want you to do is plot the names you can think of in the industry, in the company, and put them along that X and Y axis. Now you would see that some names tend to fall on the right half. The right half is where you need to focus to build the relationships. So this is the place where people have high influence. Maybe the interest level is already high, then kudos. You just need to nurture those conversations. Just make sure that you talk about, the success of your projects, all of those things in meetings with them. Ensure that you have meetings with them regularly. Now, the bottom part of that right half is the people with influence, but who do not know you yet, who do not have a warm relationship. They don't know what you're up to or what the value you bring to the organization is. So I want you to develop one relationship at a time with them. So for example, if you are in a group meeting with them where you're just one of the people, after the meeting, you can send them a note saying, I appreciated the point you made about this topic. Incidentally, I'm working on this as well. It would be great to have a 15-minute virtual coffee chat or otherwise with you. Would that be possible? Or if you can just write to them, quoting a topic of mutual interest. So it's not just out of the blue, reaching out to them and sharing something similar to what I said earlier. So the worst you will hear is no to that meeting, right? But take a chance and reach out to them. And bit by bit, develop your relationship. So as an introvert, if you don't like small talk, right? You don't want to go for those cocktail hours and all, don't do that. Develop these relationships one step at a time so that over a period of time, a few of the highly influential people in the organization know you, the value that you bring, and it's an authentically cultivated relationship. How does that sound? I'm going to leave you with a workbook in the comments. The link is in the comments, which is a workbook which will help you break this down into 5 steps and that which you can take action on. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.